Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best portable toilet for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. ProMotion's smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best portable toilet for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Traveling with toddlers can be an adventure in itself, and one of the most challenging aspects is handling bathroom breaks. Whether you're going on a road trip, camping, or just heading out for the day, a portable potty seat is a game changer. The travel potty seat for toddlers is the perfect solution to make these moments stress-free and comfortable for both parents and little ones. Why choose a travel potty seat for toddlers? A foldable car potty seat is a must-have for families on the go. This compact and easy-to-use potty seat is designed to fit most standard toilets, ensuring your toddler feels comfortable and secure. The foldable design allows it to be stored conveniently in your diaper bag or car, making it an excellent space saver while you travel. Key features to look for: portable and compact. The travel potty seat folds up easily, making it lightweight and portable. It's a perfect size to fit in your car or carry along on outings, so you're always prepared when your child needs to use the bathroom. Comfort and safety. Designed with your toddler's comfort in mind, the potty seat offers a secure and cushioned seat. It provides stability, preventing any discomfort or wobbling while your little one uses it. Potty liners and absorbent pads. Many travel potty seats come with disposable potty liners and absorbent pads, which are essential for hygienic and easy cleanup. These liners absorb moisture, ensuring that there are no leaks and that your car or outdoor space remains clean. Easy to clean. Hygiene is a top concern, especially when traveling. The potty seat is easy to wipe down after each use, and the disposable liners make cleanup a breeze. No more worrying about messy accidents. Versatility. Whether you're on a long road trip, camping in the woods, or exploring a new city, a portable potty seat ensures that your toddler won't have to wait for a bathroom. It's designed for both indoor and outdoor use, making it perfect for any situation. Investing in a portable toilet seat for kids is a game changer for any parent who travels frequently. With its convenience, comfort, and hygienic features, this potty seat ensures that your toddler's bathroom needs are met, no matter where you are. Say goodbye to stressful potty breaks and enjoy your travel adventures with peace of mind. Thanks for watching the video.